How to set ringtone on Zedge app. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can set ringtone on Zedge app. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to download the application if you don't already have installed it. So download the application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After that, open up the application and allow all the necessary permissions. Now, once you open up the application, tap on Ringtones option at the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Once you're on your ringtones page, now tap in the search bar at the top right and browse the categories to find your desired ringtone. You can use a keyword such as pop songs or classical tunes to narrow your search. If not, you can always choose one from this featured or popular collection. Tap on the ringtone to listen or to a preview. If you want to listen it, tap on it in order to listen before you set it as your ringtone. Once you find the one you like, here you can simply download this ringtone. Tap on download. And here it says, what would you like to do? Then tap on set ringtone. Allow the permission, then go back. Again tap on set ringtone, and once you're done with that, here it says the ringtone has been set. Now in order to verify your ringtone, you can close the application and then open up settings. Scroll down a bit and then go to sound and vibration. Scroll down a bit and you can look for the ringtone. Here it says I have recently added this Lose Control as my ringtone from the Zedge application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.